Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how I made a little over $4,800 by swing trading one stock. So I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. We're going to be breaking down my strategies, my mindset behind this play. And if you guys want to learn how to find these stocks and opportunity in my strategies, my mindset, I have an amazing course where I talk about everything swing trading, my strategies, my mindset, how I find stock and opportunity. We have private live streams. We have a group chat, quizzes, lectures. It's absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend it. And right now, for this week only, we're doing 50% off, which is the first time I've ever done a sale this big. You guys can use code HALFOFF to get 50% off. So check it out down below. Like and subscribe. Do what you guys do. So let's jump into this here. So the stock that we traded, you guys know that we called this out a couple of weeks ago, and this is Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP. Now, the reason why I love it and it was on watch here is because it has this beautiful upward trend, as you guys can see, where the stock has gone from $45, highs at 91 in the matter of 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. And what goes up must come down. And that's kind of what we saw here. The stock sold off down to this 90-day moving average line. Now, moving average lines, why I love them is they act as support and resistance. It's my bread and butter. This is my type of trade. I would trade this 100 times if I could. On top of that, now, one thing here with the 90-day moving average line, which is the blue one, we also have the red one, which is the 200-day moving average line. The difference between the 90 and the 200 is the 200-day moving is going to have a harder support. So there's going to be a lot more buying pressure there. That's where we've seen a lot of hedge funds buy it. And on top of that, we've also seen tendencies of it using, the 90 as support in the past. As you guys can see, hit it here. But overall, the hardest support will be that 200. Now, you guys can see that it came in contact with this price here near around $74, which is that 90-day moving average line. We set our stop loss at $71. We risked about $1 to make $3.19. So it's a relatively decent risk and reward. I could have been wrong 2 times and still made money on these types of plays here. On top of that, one of the things here is we can actually delete this, but one of the things here, you guys can see that we did get a little bit of some selling pressure and it immediately got that great buying pressure. So it kind of flagged out and rallied up, which is pretty common to see, especially if you look back. You guys will notice that as these stocks they consolidate for a while. You guys can see here, it kind of consolidates before we get that great move up. But overall, it was still above my stop loss, so I didn't even think about selling my shares. Now it did rally up here. Pretty much my profit's going to be near around 83. That's my goal. Right now we are doing a trailing stop. So if it does dip below 80, we're just going to sell our shares, sit on the sidelines. Now, the great thing about swing trading is I've been holding this position for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 2 weeks, right? 5 days, per week here. So I've been holding it for about 2 weeks and it made me a little over $4,800 near and around there, which is a great trade. And the thing that I do want to talk to you guys about here that I think is super important is getting started. A lot of people see me post these profits online and I'm very, very transparent of how much money I make. And I think that's amazing because as beginners, this will incentivize you to learn, right? And to start that process of trading, but it almost makes it where anybody can do it. I've been doing this 6 years full time. So, I have a lot of experience and education under my belt. And that's what I would recommend you guys. If you're just getting started, really focus on education. The more you learn, the more you're going to earn. On top of that, paper trade, get in and out of positions, practice your entries, your exits, your risk management skills. One thing that's super important with risk management is just preserving money. As a trader, your job is to make money. So if you can limit your losses or limit the amount of loss, that's going to save you so much money in the long run. So I really, really highly recommend, mastering all things trading. On top of that, one of the things that I do think is super important is having a trading journal. This is the one I recommend. I'll put it down below. It's Mastering the Swing. It's a trading journal. It's absolutely fantastic. You can document your journey. You have everything about trading, your mindset, your performance. you draw out, the setups, you talk about it, but overall you learn from your mistakes, which I think is super important. So I'll put that down below. Check it out. You guys can get it on Amazon. But overall, this is a very, very basic strategy that I've used to make, my career as a swing trader. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys want to learn more about trading, check out my course, code HALF OFF for 50% off. And we'll see you guys later. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.